Vabebi na vhagudiswa vha vha na vhushumo zwavhudi kha mvelelo dza matiriki vha vho ḓala dakalo ḽihulu na u ḓirwa khana musi Minista wa pfunzo dza fhasi vha tshi khou vha fhululedza. Milingo ya matiriki ndi ya ṅwaliwa nga vhagudiswa vha tshivhalo tshi paḓaho maḓana a zwigidi zwa ṱahe.
As I say, it's a group that demonstrated high levels of resilience because you really were at the storm of COVID. And something in me was telling me, 2 years disruptions, having lost so much teaching time, our kids were not going to make it, or were going to struggle. But you also show that you don't waste a crisis. When we have a crisis, that's when we want energy. And that's what you showed. You say you're confronted with a crisis, you're going to give it your all.
Vhagudiswa vho bvisaho mvelelo dza khwine vha ri vho kona u swikelela izwo nga u ḓiṋetshedzela na u ḓiita khonani ya bugu.
Basically, to just work hard, work hard and try your best and always try to exceed what you're currently doing.
Consistency is key, so I made sure to pace myself throughout the year. Matric's very long, lots of exams, so just constantly working hard, but also not going all out at the beginning that you lose steam by the end.
I achieved very excellent results, and I think the subjects in which I came here for perhaps it's technical mathematics because I excelled in it very well, and maybe technical science and electrical technology as well.
Kha vhagudiswa vha vho phasaho matiriki lwendo lwa vhumatshelo havho siani ḽa zwa pfunzo ndi hone lwo takutshedza.